How to make money on Upwork as a Pinterest virtual assistant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. And then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information. First name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and then continue with the email. Enter the password and log in. And after that, you're going to proceed to setting up your profile. So this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first step of creating your profile. So here, let me go back. And this is the first step of creating the profile. So here, let's get started. And here, as you can see, we're going to answer a few questions. The first one is, have you freelanced before? And you have 3 answers to choose from. Choose the answer that fits your situation. And then you do the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose one of these answers. And for the last question, how would you like to work? We have here 3 answers, and I advise you to choose all of them. They are very helpful. And then click on next to create a profile. So here you can either import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload it from your desktop if you have one in a file there, or you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So let's go with the third option, filling it out manually. And here click on start a new profile, and then you enter your skill and click on next to add your experience. So here click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. After that, you proceed to add in your education history. Click on the plus button to add your previous or your education history. After that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So here English is a must in this platform. You cannot work in here without English, so just enter your level in the language. So here I'm going to go with conversational. That's my level in English. And then you can add other languages if you can speak them. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is Arabic, and then French. So Arabic is my native language, and French is a language that I've studied in school. And then click on next to add your skills. So here, enter your skills in here. They've already suggested some skills for us, like a virtual virtual assistants, receptionist skills, and Pinterest as well. And here you can search for other skills, and the maximum is 15 skills. So there is enough room for other skills. After that, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter or type, I'm a Pinterest virtual assistant, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information to it and copy and paste it in here, and then you're good to go. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long for you guys. And after that, click on next to choose your categories. So here they've already suggested some services for us. If you're not happy with these ones, you can look for one in here. And after that, click on next to set your rate. Here I'm going to go with $10 per hour. After that, click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can enter these information, your address and so on, date of birth, and then when uploading your photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after that, after you end with creating your profile, or after you're done with creating your profile, follow this strategy I'm going to show you in order to improve your profile to attract as many clients as possible. So basically the idea is that what I do is I'm going to search for my competitors, the same people that are doing the same skill like mine, and I'm going to search for the highest earner amongst them. And when I find him, I'm going to spy on his profile, see what is he doing differently than others, and if I find something that works for him, I'm going to implement that to my profile. So I think that's very easy, guys, and I think you get the idea. So it's just start looking for the highest earner in here. So here we have more than 100 grand, and she gets paid $12 per hour. Let's see if we can find someone who earned more. Let's check the second page. More than 100 grand, and he gets $10 per hour. More than 200 grand. So I think this is the highest earner. She gets paid $20 per hour. Let's see if we can find another one. This one, he earned more than 300 grand, and he gets paid $10 per hour. And I think this is the highest earner for now. Let's check the third page to verify and to see if we can find someone who earned more than 300 grand. Here, let's check. Let's see. Let's check the fourth page. You never know. So I think the one with more than 300 grand is the highest earner so far. So let's go back to the second page. I think he's in the second page. So let's go back. So I think you get the idea, guys. Just make sure to spy on his profile and implement what is working for him to your profile. And after that, if you want to find work easily in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and you will see in here, enter your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one that you do, and you can apply for those jobs. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.